A healthy body is the real wealth. Good health is as good as 1,000 blessings. Health is wealth. All wise men have the same message, that a person should be mentally and physically fit. The human brain and body are the most wonderful creations of God. As we are born, why not live? As we have to live, why not lead a good life? As we have to lead a good life, why not live a wonderful life? How do we lead a wonderful life? This has been taught by great sages Patanjali, the great Hiranyagarbha, the great Garanya, or Gevalya, Machendranath. It's due to these sages the world is today enjoying the gift of complete health with yoga. Yoga is an activity of union with self. Yoga is a technique. You can live more than you are actually living. Yoga is a revolution of complete life. It's a wonderful art of living. If you live, then how you should live. That is yoga. A father falls ill, and the doctor says that he would not live longer than 2-3 hours, and asks all the others together. All the members of the family arrive, but the doctor is not able to reach in time for some reasons. 2 hours pass, then 4 hours, and similarly 24 hours pass by. And then once the daughter arrives, the father sees her and then breathes his last. Life extended from 2 to 24 hours. How did it happen? Willpower, mental strength. When the power of the will is strong, you are freed from all bonds. And gradually, when you practice asanas and pranayam, by regular practice, your mental strength increases. A healthy body is the real wealth. Good health is as good as 1,000 blessings. Health is wealth. All wise men have the same message, that a person should be mentally and physically fit. You have to go out for some important work. It's raining heavily. How will you go out? There's only one way. Put on your shoes, wear a raincoat, or take an umbrella, and then go ahead. It will at least cover something, protect you a little. Our life is similar too. In our life, there is lots of sorrow, lots of stress, lots of diseases, lots of anger, and many other ailments, all pouring like rain inside you. The most important thing is that we should practice asanas breathing slowly, steadily and completely. Secondly, while practicing asanas, stomach should be empty. Thirdly, while practicing asanas, you should divert all your positive thoughts towards yourself. If you practice asanas keeping these things in mind, not only will your willpower and physical strength, but your heart becomes stronger as well. Pranayam and the power of yoga, the power of asanas are completely miraculous. Put them to practice and you will yourself witness how they revolutionize your whole life.